So I'm just going to touch you on your back, on your spine. I'll just move your hair out so that you should see it. I'm just going to go down the back. Do you notice it's in one direction? So this is very good for children. This is also very good if someone is having a big emotional reaction. How's it feeling? Is it okay? So, like that. This is also very good for allergies. Very, very good for allergies. So just down the back like this. Okay. Now I'm going to do something else with you as if you were my child. Okay? So if he were my child, I would get him to rest here, his head, like this. And I would go down his back like that. And I'd go, there, you're okay. There, mama still loves you, you're okay. There. Got it? Yeah, you got that? Or if you're Papa. Papa still loves you. Okay, good, very good. Thank you so much. Go find a partner, stand up. I want you to practice going down.